Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh Surface for SOLIDWORKS about the freeform modeling. When you have models, you may end up with a lot of big shapes that have a lot of quads. There are no limitations of the size that we support. It's only limited by your RAM memory or your graphics card. But in some cases, it's suitable that you may want to focus in a specific area to work on without frustration or heavy rendering. So what you can do is just using our operations, which are called isolate selected, hide selected, and show hidden. I'll just go shortly to explain how these three commands work. You can just select an area here. For example, you select a bit more that you need to focus on, and you can just right click and select isolate selected. What it will do, it will just leave what it selected on the screen, but will hide everything else. So let's try this. I just press isolate selected. As you can see, it just left this area here, and then you can just focus, and then you can do tweaks and focus on fine-tuning or doing your job just in your local area. The reason for this is that when you have many quotes, you may experience some graphical rendering issues. So it's good you just hide them temporarily and then tweak to get the best performance. When you're done, you can right-click and select the option which is called Show Hidden. It will just bring back everything that's been hidden on the screen. In some cases, there is another approach to just remove not everything to be displayed on the screen. I will just select an area here. But this time, instead of isolating, I will just right-click and just select Hide Selected. This simply will hide what is selected on the screen and makes it invisible. I can continue hiding my area by selecting Hide Selected. As in this example, I just end up with a smaller area. I can just tweak and just adjust my shape here on the screen so I can just improve my results. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.